Hi, so we have a Fiat 500 cluster from a customer that sent it in. It's got two faults with it. It's got the LCD is not working and the rev counter is not working. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you them not working. So the LCD you can see is not working anyway. Okay, I'm going to demo the rev counter for you. So first I'm going to demo the speedo for you to show you how it looks on the when it's working. So if this is the Autel, so we're just going to go to the speedo cluster. Okay, so we're going to do 100%, so it's going to move. I'll just show you that again. I'm going to do it again. So speedo, no, 100%. So you'll see it on here in a second when I press it. So you can see it go around. So we can see that the speedo is actually working. Okay, now I'm going to show you the rev counter. Obviously it's not working, but I'm going to prove it to you that it's not working. So I'll do 100%. Okay, so you can see that rev counter is not moving. But you probably won't hear this, but when you press it, I'm going to try it again. Let's see if you could hear this. Okay, so I'm going to do again. So I'm going to press 100% in a second, but I'll see if you can hear it. You can hear a whirring noise. Okay, so it looks like the motor's moving, but it's not actually moving the actual plastic dial around it. So what we're going to do, we're going to send this over for repair. The lad's going to have a look at it and see what the problem is, and I'll show you a video once it's been repaired. Okay, so the cluster's back from the techs. I'm just going to switch it on now. So as you can see, the LCD is now working, fully working. So what I'm going to do is go with the diagnostic and show you the rev counter working. So back onto the Autel again. So I'll press that, and then I demand that the rev counter moves across. So let's do it 100%. So when I press 100%, that should go across. So pressing it there, you can see that it's gone to 100%. And when I could go back to 80% if I wanted to, you know, 40%. Yeah. And then switch it back off again, and it goes back to home again. There you go. All repaired, ready to go back to the customer. So if you've got any clusters that need repairing, send them to Autotronics.